Hello guys, welcome back to another day in my life as a college student. This morning I started by getting ready because I looked ratty this morning. I had to get all cleaned up and you know what time it is. That's right. Then I put on an outfit. If you want to watch the full video, I'm doing a series on my page where I get dressed every single day. And then I filled up my water bottle, grabbed my bag, and I was ready to go. Ashley's friend was here, so he very kindly offered to drive me and Ashley to class, so we didn't have to take the bus, which was a very, very nice surprise. Shout out Carter for that one. So then we got to campus, and me and Ashley booked it across campus. We went on literally a world tour, hit all of the high points on campus because we were bored and had time. We even ran by Bolton so that I could sign up for the To-Go Box program, and yeah, did pretty much everything you can think of. Then we decided to head up to the main library and watch this bus. It's like a clown car. There's like hundreds of people. Anyways, we went into the main library because we wanted a bagel for breakfast. So we went to Ensemble Bagels.
Can I do a bacon, egg, and cheese on an Asiago, please? And can I get a side of the all-nighter sauce?
That's an elite order. It wins every single time. You have to get the sauce on the side. It's so fire. Then I did a whole bunch of work and I saw my friends, Bella and Melanie.
And we left the library all together. Then me and Ashley headed to a class that we have together where I played the Wordle, and for one of the first times ever, I didn't get it. That was awful. So I played the mini and the connections to make up for it. Then our class was done and I headed to my next class, which was Spanish. This is generally how I feel in Spanish. And then that class was done and I headed to my last class of the day before I saw those goons, my friends Carter and Russ and Ashley's friend. Then my last class was Law of Mass Communications. We watched a video about the legality of flipping someone off. And then my best friend Peyton came and picked me up, and we went to Starbucks and jammed out on the way. I got a new drink. I got the frozen lemonade refresher, the strawberry acai one. I did not like it. I hate to say it. Peyton got her drink though, and she loved it. Then I said bye to Peyton after she dropped me off at home. I made a Caesar salad and of course had to have a Capri Sun. And I watched Netflix. I've been watching The Ultimatum and it is crazy. Then after a couple hours, I threw on some pajamas and I headed to pick Ashley up because she had been on campus all day for a bunch of meetings, and then we came home and I gave her the rest of that Starbucks drink that I didn't like, and she loved it, of course. Then I watched a little bit more of The Ultimatum before Ashley did a cartwheel. There she is. Look at her go. And there's her friend Carter. We hung out for a little bit, played some games. There he is again, looking goofy as usual, before we decided that we were hungry and wanted a snack. So we made the trek to Taco Bell, where I got a singular beef soft taco because that's what I really wanted. Then we came home, I put on my pajamas, and I promptly went to bed because I was super tired after this long day. Bye.